Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I'm gonna make super tasty pasta, gnocchi in tomato sauce with capers, olives, parmesan, and 4 different kinds of basil. My own basil, which will be harvested soon here in my garden. First, check all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. Amigos, extremely delicious pasta is landing on the table. Bon appetit! Bon appetit very much. Honestly speaking, I could eat pasta every day, 3 times a day. Folks, I just landed in heaven or in paradise. Doesn't matter. This is fantastic. So fresh.